Hey, Benjamin. What you got going on?
Oh, I'm just working for my science fair project.
Oh, science fair project. Let me know what's going on. Show me.
Oh, well, it's actually elephant toothpaste.
Elephant toothpaste? How does that work?
Oh, well, it's only a couple steps. Let's begin. But remember first, we have to have our PPE, personal protective equipment. Where's yours?
I'll use your dad's.
Epic! The PPE consists of goggles to protect your eyes, lab coat to protect your skin, and gloves to protect your hand. To conduct this experiment, first we're gonna need a tray,
Hey!
an empty bottle,
Okay.
peroxide,
Huh?
and some dish soap. First, we need to get a half cup of peroxide. Second, we're gonna pour it in. Then we're gonna transfer the funnel and put all the peroxide in. Third, we're gonna put the dish soap in. Make sure you got your goggle on.
Okay.
Then we're gonna mix it up. Next, we're gonna get some yeast and a warm bottle of water. First, we need a tablespoon of yeast. We also need 4 tablespoons of warm water. Next, we get to mix it. Now it's the time you all been waiting for, the explosion of the elephant toothpaste. Whoa!
Oh no, I see why you call it elephant toothpaste.
It smells bad too. Now, let's try it with a bigger bottle and let's see if it's a bigger explosion.
Okay, let's try this one. My favorite color is yellow.
Care to do the honors?
Yes, I would definitely. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh!
Whoa, I wonder what happens when it mixes with the mink.
Oh, wow! Oh my god!
Huh? May I help you?
All right, you guys!
This is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Is that so? And see you next time.